Hi there. Today we are making two easy chutneys for dosa without coconut. One is made with tomatoes and the other with peanuts. They are excellent to whip up on short notice and you'll be able to enjoy them with a variety of snacks and even in a sandwich. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. These are the ingredients for the tomato chutney. So I have here 2 large tomatoes that I have sliced, 1 medium sized onion sliced, few cloves of garlic, sliced ginger, lots of curry leaves, some mustard seed, red chilies, hing or asafoetida, half a tablespoon of urad dal or black lentils split, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chana dal or Bengal gram. Let's begin. I'll tell you about the other ingredients as we go along. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a handful of curry leaves, then add in the lentils. Cook this on low heat till the lentils are very well roasted. This should take a few minutes. I've added in a few more curry leaves because the first time around the oil was too hot and the lentils are roasted. Can you see the darker color? Let's add in the onions, ginger and garlic. Once they start to wilt slightly, add in the tomatoes, season with salt and a bit of sugar according to your taste, and cook this. Once the tomatoes start to release water, I'll add in a pinch of hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, and cook this for a minute or two. You could add in some green chilies or red chili according to your taste. The tomatoes have started to disintegrate completely and I'll just turn off the heat. That smells really nice. Let that cool down. Now that the tomato mixture has cooled down completely, I'll add it into the mixer jar. One-fourth cup of roasted chana, chickpeas, and then grind it. There it is. I added a tiny bit of water to help with the grinding. For the peanut chutney, I am using half a cup of peanuts that I have roasted in the microwave on high power for 1.5 minutes. Alternatively, you could use the salted peanuts that come in packets. I have to remove the skin, so I'll get back once I've done that. So I'll put this into a mixer jar. I'll add in a green chili, ginger, 1/4 cup of roasted chana or chickpeas, salt to taste, handful of curry leaves and a bit of water to help with the grinding. Add water as required to get this thick paste. Take it out into a bowl. That's almost done. We just have to add the tadka to finish it off. Tomato chutney, peanut chutney, you could have them just as it is, but we need to add some more curry leaves into it to enhance the flavor. For the final tadka, I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll temper it with some urad dal or split black lentils. Keep the heat absolutely low. Once that takes on a light color, I'll turn off the heat and add in the mustard seeds, curry leaves, and red chilies. So the oil is still hot and the tadka is done without the curry leaves being burnt. Time to add in flavor some oil. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. Give it all a mix. Into the serving bowl. Drizzle more flavorful tadka oil on top. Serve the chutneys with idlis, dosas, vadas or pakoras and enjoy.